Let's talk about cuddling. I've never spoken about cuddling, and last night I was out with a bunch of sex positive people, really nice people, and about the fact that I'm living in the Grand Canaries at the moment and there's nobody here really that I'm intimate with, and I miss being close to somebody. And my friend was asking me how I felt about cuddling, platonic cuddling, without any expectation of having sex. I thought it was a really interesting question because I don't normally have friends that I cuddle, but apparently it's a thing. And there are things like cuddle parties and people that I meet that have people with whom they're cuddly. Although I'm a cuddly person, I don't have like a cuddle partner, if that's the right way to describe a person with whom you just cuddle. And I thought, what a really nice idea, because cuddling releases endorphins. It's really good for you. It creates connection with another person. Doesn't have to be sexual. It can just feel really nice and just make you feel warm and fuzzy inside.